Alright, for this one, light travels with a speed of 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. That's always going to be the same. That's on your note sheet as well. Light from Alpha Centauri takes 4.2 years to reach the Earth. Calculate the distance between Earth and Alpha Centauri in kilometers. Alright, so let's start with the facts. Alright, facts. Well, obviously, speed of light, so that is, have a look at your unit. If you're not sure what that is, hopefully we have a look at the unit and understand that it's the speed or it's the velocity. 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. What else do we know? We know that light from Alpha Centauri takes 4.2 years to reach the Earth, so that's the time it takes. So time is 4.2 years. Now, how do we convert years to, hopefully, seconds, because that is what we're using, the standard unit? Well, first of all, how do I get what's smaller than years? Probably months, so change it to 12 months, timesing it 12. Alright, months to day, how many, actually, my bad, let's skip that because every month is different days. So what you will do every year is 365, so you will start there. Next, you will start by timesing it today to hours, so that one day is 24 hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes, so I'll change it to 60 minutes, and then now I times it by 60 because 1 minute is 60 seconds, so that converts it to a second. That's a long one. Next, what we are trying to find is calculate the distance between Earth and Alpha Centauri in kilometers. So technically we could have converted everything to kilometers per hour and then kilometers, but we're just going to leave it for now and we can convert it back later. It's just good practice. Alright, so what we're trying to find is the distance. Now the formula I'm going to use is just simple. It's just going to be V equals S over T. Now we're trying to find S. So there's two ways of doing this. You can rearrange it first. So, I get VT equals S. Hopefully we realize that, to get rid of T on this on the right hand side, you just got to times it by T both sides. So you get S by itself on the right hand side. So you've got S equals VT. So that's all I've got to do. My S equals VT, so my V is 3 10 to the 8. My T Alright, so that is what I've got so far. Alright, and hopefully we get, when you chuck that in the calculator, you can pause and have a go as well. 3.98 times 10 to the power of 16. And if I want to convert that into kilometers, because we want our final answer to be in kilometers, well, obviously kilometers is dividing it by 1,000. So divide the meter answer by 1,000. That changes to a kilometer, which hopefully we understand, or you can just do that in the calculator if you're not sure. That is going to be 10 to the power of 13 kilometers now. Alright, that's it.